In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to make good cash on Upwork, even if you've never done online work before. You can earn real money from home using only your skills, your laptop, and an internet connection. Let's dive in step by step so you can start turning your time into income. Upwork is one of the biggest freelancing platforms in the world. It connects people with digital skills like writing, video editing, design, or data entry to clients who are ready to pay for your services. It doesn't matter if you're in Kenya or anywhere else, all you need is dedication and consistency. Your profile is your online shop. Make it stand out. Use a clear photo, write a professional title like virtual assistant or graphic designer, and describe what you do best. Add a few samples of your work or even create new ones to showcase your skills. A strong profile builds trust and helps you get noticed. Go to the Find Work section and look for entry-level jobs if you're new. Filter by fixed-price projects to make it easier to start. Read job details carefully and only apply for those you can complete well. Avoid offers that ask you to work outside Upwork. That's how you stay safe. Your proposal is your first impression, so make it short and clear. Example: Hi, I've read your project and I can help you get this done fast and professionally. I've worked on similar projects before and will give your task my full attention. Thank you. I look forward to working with you. Simple, confident, and polite. Once you finish your work, submit it through Upwork for payment. You can withdraw directly to PayPal or M-Pesa in Kenya. Deliver quality, communicate well, and your clients will leave 5-star reviews. Those reviews bring more clients and more cash. Here are a few bonus tips. Apply for several jobs daily. Keep learning new skills. Stay patient. The first job is always the hardest, but it gets easier. Remember, consistency beats luck every single time. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and join the Sweetmelodies Hustle team, where we turn ideas into income every week. Drop a comment if you'd like me to cover Fiverr, TopTal, or other freelance platforms next. Thanks for watching. Now go get that Upwork cash. Sweetmelodies Hustle team, turning ideas into income.